Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. I've not been on here for a while due to some reasons, but I'm back now. Do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, turn on your post notifications, and in today's video we'll be making this beautiful Ankara tote bag. If you have Ankara in the house that you don't know what to do with it, you can try making this tote bag with the Ankara, and this comes with the full lining. So you're gonna get the outer fabric, which is the Ankara, and the lining. Put them together and then cut two pieces. You're going to cut 16 by 14 for both the lining and the Ankara. At the bottom, you're going to mark 2 by 2 and cut it out like so. So after cutting, you should have something like this: 2 pieces of the Ankara and 2 pieces of the lining. Then you're going to put them right sides facing each other. Take them to your sewing machine and sew all 4 sides round. On the lining, mark 4 inches for opening. While you are sewing it round, make sure you do not sew that 4 inches you marked. Now you're going to take that 2 by 2 side, hold it like this, and then stitch it. All right, you're going to repeat the same thing on both lining and the fabric. The next process is to take your iron. Make sure you iron everything really flat. Now for the handle, you're gonna cut 4 inches by 24 inches. You need 2 of those. All right, you know it's an Ankara bag. So once you finish cutting, you're going to put it in 2 places like this, iron them, and then fold it. Just watch how I'm doing it. Once you're done, you take it to your sewing machine and sew it round. So like that, you have the handle of your Ankara bag ready. Now let's fix the handle. From the beginning, you are going to -3 on both sides and then fix it like this. All you have to do is just stitch the handle on both sides at the top. Now to fix the lining, you're going to put the Ankara inside the lining and then sew it round. Now this is the opening that we left earlier on, so that's where you're going to bring it out from, and then you're going to take it to your sewing machine. First of all, close that part that you opened initially, put everything inside out, then you're going to iron it and stitch the top. If you would like to see a slower version, let me know in the comments. So this is the finished look of the Ankara bag. Let me know what you think about this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.